Hey guys, today we are going to do this problem. Its rating is 1800. So as always, we are going to start with an example here. So in the example, we are going to have this number of test cases. So we are going to have 4 test cases, and each test case has a string. So what we need to do about this string is to reorder the characters in the string so that um, the result need to be satisfy one condition. The condition is that the adjacent characters cannot be adjacent alphabetically. What does that mean? So in our alpha beta order, comes before B, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A comes before B. And in the stream, A and B sit next to each other. So this kind of stream is not what we want. So we need to reorder this stream's characters. For example, in the output, this is one way to reorder it. So C is next to A, that's good. And A is next to B, good. D is next to B, good, right? So all we need to do is to output a stream that is a reordered um, of the given stream, and the result stream must satisfy that condition. So how do we solve this problem? One way to solve it is to assign uh, alpha beta rank to each characters. For example, we assign 1 to A, 2 to B, 3 to C, etc. Right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. They all have a ranking in the alpha beta order, right? And then some of them has odd, like this two, right? Some numbers are even, right? Like this two. So all we need to make sure is that um, all the number is not next to the even number. So we can rearrange the stream in this way. So we can put all the numbers in the front, right? And this guy is also all the numbers. So we put it here. These two all the numbers are in the front. And these two even numbers we put in the end, right? Actually, this guy should be D, right? And yeah, it should be C. And we move this even guy here and move this guy here. So the only possibility that this stream doesn't satisfy that condition is here, right? This guy might be next to this guy, and they are next to each other alphabetically, right? In this case, they indeed are next to each other. C is next to B, right? So this guy cannot be the final answer. And what we need to do, so we just try another possibility. We can put the even number in the front and the odd number in the end, right? We can try this one. So in this case, these two are not next to each other alphabetically. So this string is valid. We can use it as the final answer, right? If these two answers are both not valid, then we need to output a no answer because no matter how we rearrange the characters in the stream, we cannot get a satisfied stream, right? So I guess that's it. Let's take a look at the code. So it's quite simple. First, we read the number of test cases and iterate each test case. And we read the stream here. And we are going to um, put the all the numbers in F0. Actually, put the even numbers in F0, right? This guy is even number, and put all the numbers in F1 so that we can have two streams. And then we are going to sort the characters in each stream. Why do we want to sort it? So the reason is that we have a odd even numbers in the front, and we have all the numbers in the end. So there might be a chance that the end of the front part is next to the head of the later part, right? So to reduce this possibility, we want to order the front half and also order the later half so that the smallest number is the head of the second part and the largest number is in the end of the first part. So the difference between these two guys can be the largest. So in this way, we can reduce the chance that they are next to each other alphabetically, right? And also we want to try another possibility, that is we put this guy in the front and this guy uh, in the end. And also we are going to compare the biggest guy in this part and the smallest guy in this part to see if they are next to each other alphabetically, right? So that's why we need to sort these two streams. And then we're going to check if both of the results, actually either of the results satisfy the condition. So we have two results, right? One is put uh, even numbers in the front. One is put the even numbers in the end, right? And the way we check if a stream is valid or not is just iterate through all of its characters and check if it's the later character is not next to its previous character, right? And if that is the case, we just output the final answer. If both of them failed, we just output no answer, right? So I guess that's it. Hope it helps. See you next time.